Good morning, fellow YouTubers. Today I'm doing a video on how to remove a bathroom drain. You're going to go ahead and get a sink pop-up assembly. Since this one is missing, we're going to go ahead and put in a new one. And I'll give you a tutorial on that right now. So the next step you want to do, get your tools. You will need a large wrench, flashlight. Always want to have gloves. You can use rubber gloves if you want. These are technically rubber gloves. Rag. Plumber's putty. And for now, that'll do it. Stay tuned. Okay, we are back. Now we're going to go ahead and loosen the ring, and lefty loosey, righty tighty, guys. That's how we take things off. That's how you remember to loosen things. Just give it a quick turn. Should be able to take it off with your hand. There's a lot of threads. There's probably 16 threads on this thing, so it takes a minute to undo. Now I'm taking off the plunger on the back. Just remove the clip. Unscrew the plunger. Now I'm just going to give it a quick twist. See what we got here. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to cut the plunger top, and I took a still shot of it. I'll show you that in a second. The ring top, which is this right here, the one that was on there, I had to cut that thing. So anyways, next step is to clean so we can apply the plumber's putty, and we're doing that right now. Alright, so you want to get a minimal amount of plumber's putty, and you're going to squish it. Try to do this one-handed here. Pull it out like a snake or a worm. Let's get some more putty. This is some old putty I have. Tiny bit of water to bring it back to life. Okay, so we'll roll it out. Now we're going to put the plumber's putty around the rim top. Go ahead and seat that in. Press it down a little bit. Okay, now we're going to screw, we'll call it the downspout, into the sink top, and we're going to seat the washer like so. You want to make sure that this right here is where your plunger is going to go into, or the rod to hook up to the plunger is straight with this. Now go ahead and tighten. You want to firmly seat the O-ring. This is plastic, so we want to go ahead and cover our tool with a rag and just give it a quick little snug. Okay, we're still lined up. Okay, I'm just untying the parts right now. Stay tuned. Okay, now we're going to insert the plunger rod. Adjust the camera a little bit. Now here's a little spring clip. You want to put one end on the plunger rod first. They didn't make much room for me back here. Okay. Now the other part, which is right here, goes on the back side of the rod like so. And that is your keeper. And you're going to put it on the third hole. We're going to adjust that right. We're going to test that right now. Just to feel the tightness. Okay. Now I know I'm kind of going backwards, but sometimes I do that. I'm not the best plumber, but I can do it. Okay, so we're going to loosen that plunger rod once again. We're going to go ahead and put in the plunger. Okay guys, we have all that attached. We're going to put in the ring, bevel side facing down. First off, you're going to put your nut, then you're putting the ring back on. quick look at that. All right, guys, I'm doing the last bit, which is the pressure test. You want to fill up 3/4 of the bowl, a quarter of the bowl of water. That should be fine for 5 minutes. We're testing if there's any leaks. So far, nothing. Before you do that, I had some excess plumber's putty. That was around the rim top. And you just want to go ahead and remove that. Put it back in your plumber's putty. And let that sit for 5 minutes. And check for leaks. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment below, and enjoy your day.